Hey everybody, Custommikes here. It is a fabulous day today. This is the first long drive of the 1940 Pontiac Model 26 Deluxe. I did a final or a first test drive a couple weeks ago, and unfortunately the redone radiator popped a little hole in it. And so we've been waiting for that. But today, I actually took it for a ride. It stayed at the temperature. It shifts good, all that other stuff. And I actually even got to fill the tank full. And I drove it on the freeway. I drove it all the way up one exit, all the way down, and gave it a tank of gas. And she is performing flawlessly. Brake, steering, and all that type of stuff. I'm so excited. I am so freaking excited. 1940 Pontiac Model 26 Deluxe with 61,000 miles on it. And we've done everything except the body. We straightened a bunch of dents out, but it's mostly the original paint. And, you know, we got a few more things to doodle daddle, and then it'll go to upholstery. But yeah, the wood grain and steering wheel is going to get done. Well, the wood grain is done, but then the upholstery is next. We've insulated the whole thing up, all brand new wiring. We got a whole bag full of knobs and stuff to replace those. But those are final touches. We got door panels made up and seats fixed, doors closing like they're brand new. And like I said, 61,000 original miles. So anyway, all excited. Hopefully you're having an awesome weekend. See you at Benedict Castle Concourse.